Have you ever felt like your energy is off balance? Welcome to the world of aura healing. Picture an aura as a vibrant energy field enveloping your physical form, influencing your emotional and physical health. It's believed that when our aura is clear and balanced, we experience greater well-being. Today we'll be exploring a meditation designed to cleanse and rejuvenate this vital energy field. So, are you ready to embark on a journey of healing and balance? Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress. Experience the calm settling in as your breath deepens and you become more aware of the space around you. Now, bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the cool air entering your nostrils, the warm air leaving your body. Each breath is an invitation to draw in healing energy from the universe, filling you with a sense of peace and tranquility. As you continue on this journey, I want you to visualize a radiant white light enveloping you. This light is a symbol of purity, of recovery, shimmering brilliantly with life. It's a beacon of hope and healing, wrapping you in its warm, comforting glow. See this light expanding, growing, until it forms a protective bubble around you. Feel its strength, its warmth, its protective nature. It's your shield, your sanctuary, safeguarding you from the world outside. Now turn your attention to your aura, the vibrant energy field that surrounds your body. In your mind's eye, identify any areas of darkness or heaviness within this aura. These patches may represent negative emotions, stress, or imbalances. With each breath, visualize sending waves of healing light into these areas. Picture the light penetrating deep into these shadows, breaking down any blockages, dissolving any negativity. Like a gentle tide washing over a beach, let the healing energy cleanse and restore balance to your aura. Feel the energy of your aura brightening, becoming more vibrant with each passing moment. Sense the positive energy coursing through your being, filling you with a renewed sense of vitality and wellness. Bask in this feeling of healing and rejuvenation for a moment. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the energy of your aura, connecting deeply with your inner self. When you are ready, gently and slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your limbs, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Take a few more deep breaths, cherishing the healing energy you have received. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you need to cleanse and balance your aura, restoring harmony to your body, mind, and spirit. Namaste. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling grateful for the healing energy you have received. Today we've journeyed through a transformative process of aura healing. By visualizing a healing light, we've cleansed areas of darkness in our aura, casting away stress and negative emotions. The benefits are immense, from a balanced energy field to a renewed sense of vitality and peace. Remember, this meditation is a sanctuary always available to you. Know that you can return to this meditation whenever you need to cleanse and balance your aura, restoring harmony and well-being to your body, mind, and spirit. Namaste. As the soothing sound of the gongs fade away and you begin to emerge from this glowing cocoon of healing energy, remember that this journey does not end here. The Reiki Glow community is a place for all those seeking tranquility, balance, and healing. If you enjoyed this journey and would like to continue exploring the world of energy healing, consider subscribing to our channel. On your screen you will see a bright inviting subscribe button. Click on it and join us. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our new healing journeys, and you'll become a part of a community that supports and uplifts each other. Subscribe to Reiki Glow, and let's continue this beautiful journey of self-discovery and healing together. Feel the glow within you and around you. Always remember, the light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.